budgeting is crucial for financial management. Today, we explore two prominent methodologies: traditional incremental budgeting and zero-based budgeting. Understanding their distinctions is key to choosing the right approach for your needs. Traditional incremental budgeting, the familiar path. Traditional budgeting starts with the previous period's budget as its foundation, making marginal adjustments for inflation or growth. The assumption is that past expenditures were justified. How it works. Departments receive their prior year's budget and justify only proposed increases. The focus is on changes from the previous budget, making it quicker and less resource-intensive. Advantages. Its primary advantages are simplicity and speed. It's easy to understand and implement, less disruptive, and provides stability, especially for organizations in stable environments. Disadvantages. Its biggest flaw is perpetuating inefficiencies. Unnecessary spending often carries forward. It can foster a spend-it-or-lose-it mentality and lacks strategic focus, as the budget base is rarely scrutinized. Zero-based budgeting, starting anew. In contrast, zero-based budgeting (ZBB) starts from a zero base. Every single expense, activity, and dollar must be justified from scratch for each new budget period. Nothing is assumed, everything is reevaluated. How it works. The ZBB process is rigorous. 1. Identify decision units. Break down the organization into smaller, independently analyzable units. 2. Analyze decision packages. Managers develop packages detailing activity purpose, alternatives, costs, benefits, and consequences of not performing it. 3. Evaluate and rank decision packages. Packages are evaluated and ranked based on importance to organizational objectives. 4. Allocate resources. Resources are allocated to the highest-ranked packages until funds are exhausted, ensuring only essential, high-value activities are funded. Advantages. ZBB is highly effective at eliminating wasteful spending and redundant activities. It forces critical thinking, leading to improved efficiency and cost control. It fosters strong strategic alignment, enhances accountability, and promotes innovation. Disadvantages. ZBB is time-consuming and complex, requiring significant effort and resources. Extensive data collection can be overwhelming. There can be resistance to change, and the process can be subjective. Initial implementation costs can be substantial. Key differences summarized. Starting point. Traditional budgeting starts with the previous budget. ZBB starts from zero. Justification. Traditional budgeting justifies only changes. ZBB requires justification for every expense. Focus. Traditional budgeting focuses on inputs and historical spending. ZBB focuses on activities, outcomes, and current needs. Complexity. Traditional budgeting is relatively simple. ZBB is highly complex. Resource allocation. Traditional budgeting can perpetuate existing allocations. ZBB reallocates based on current priorities. When to use which. Choosing the right approach. The choice depends on circumstances, goals, and resources. Traditional budgeting suits stable environments, predictable operations, and limited budgeting resources. It's good for minor adjustments or as a starting point for smaller organizations. Zero-based budgeting is ideal for rapidly changing environments, strategic shifts, or when deep cost-cutting and efficiency are critical. It's effective for new organizations or when a complete spending overhaul is needed. Hybrid approaches, the best of both worlds. Many organizations use a hybrid approach, combining elements of both. For example, using traditional budgeting generally, but applying ZBB to specific departments under scrutiny or undergoing change. This leverages simplicity with deep insights, strategic choices for financial health. Both traditional and zero-based budgeting are valuable tools. Traditional offers simplicity, ZBB provides scrutiny and strategic alignment. The key is understanding their differences to make informed decisions about which approach or combination best serves your financial health and strategic aspirations. Effective budgeting is about intentional choices that drive an organization towards its goals. Thank you for watching.